famous two kids.
All right, today we're gonna be opening surprise eggs from Frozen, Zootopia, Inside Out, Guardians of the Galaxy, and Spiderman. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
All right, here comes the first egg.
Hola! I don't know what's inside.
Gotta crack it open. Go ahead. Wow. Do you need some help opening that? Camaro can help you. Ooh. What did you get?
Hola. It's a gin.
What is that, Callie?
Hola.
Ooh, it's a red Olaf.
It's an Olaf crayon.
Can we see? All right, Camaro, it's your turn. Here's your egg.
Olaf marker.
Let's see what you got inside. What kind of egg was that, Camaro? Guardians of the Galaxy? What kind of toy is it? Can you open it and show us?
It's a girl.
Wow.
I can
Here comes another egg for you, Callie. That's the egg from Inside Out, right?
Wow!
Wow.
Yummy chocolate.
You're excited?
Oh my God!
Who did you get? Let's see.
This.
Wow. All right, now we want to see who can open the eggs the fastest.
Me!
Go! All right, Callie has 2 more eggs to go and Camaro is finished.
I got
And
some.
Camaro's enjoying his chocolate since he's done. How's the chocolate, Camaro?
Good.
Yeah? Callie's almost done opening her second last egg. Let's see what you got, Callie. Wow, is that an M&M man?
It's chocolate.
Wow, you have 1 more egg, Callie. Let's see what else you got.
Look at me, I got the same thing. Yay! Take mine. You guys can see
Last egg, that's right. What did you get, Callie?
Another Olaf.
Oh my gosh, another Olaf crayon.
I knew that. And let's go to close.
All right, guys. Did you guys enjoy the toys you got from your surprise egg?
Yeah!
with them.
Wait, Charlie. The dot. One is his tiger hunt.
So Callie's coloring with the Olaf crayons she got. And Camaro is playing with the officer from Zootopia. Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, let's. Bye-bye. I was in the bathroom. Nice to meet you, Stickman. Bye-bye. I have a job to do. What's that? Beebo. Wait, turn it off. Let's break. Wow! I make a castle.
Pretty. Wow, we got a fight going on over there.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe.